What's going on, everybody? Crypto Buyer here. We are on episode. I don't know what episode we're on. I got to start doing better at numbering these episodes. We are over 10. I know that. So thanks for hanging out. As I've begun this channel, thanks for all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. So here we go. Let's dive in. We start every video off by saying this is not financial advice, just documenting my journey through cryptocurrency, trying to build a community, getting your guys' input into things that I'm doing. I got something cool to bring to you guys today that I've kind of just started to dabble in. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, which I'm sure you guys have. And on this video, guys, I really want to make sure I get your guys' feedback on what I'm talking about. So after you watch this video, think about it, do a little bit of research, leave a comment below, and share this with your friends. So let's get right into it. The market's still killing it. We are at $176 billion. Bitcoin is $5,700, getting up towards $5,800. A little bit of growth right now, early in the day. I think it's going to get to 6 before the 25th. That's still my prediction. We're at the 16th of October, so a week and a half. I think it's going to hit the 6,000 mark. Is it going to be at $6,000 on the 25th? I don't know. Do I think it's going to run to 6 before then? Yes. Okay, so there's my prediction. So it's definitely going to gain at least another $260 before the 25th. So do your research on that. If you're feeling that, then it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin. Okay, some of the other altcoins, depending on the news and the fluctuation, like the price is going to go really up and really down. But to me, you're always in a good position to buy Bitcoin. All right, there's a lot of stuff that comes out. Bitcoin's a scam. Bitcoin's this, that, and the other. But everything's a scam until it's not. Right? So just don't be on the outside looking in. So I get people that hit me up all the time like, hey, should I buy? So it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin. So looking at Ripple, I hit on Ripple the other day. It's up 2 cents since Friday. I feel like it's going to continue to go up a little bit just because the Swell conference is going on right now in Toronto, I believe it is. So keep an eye on Ripple. Litecoin is up like $5 since last week, so it's making a little bit of recovery. Remember, about a month and a half ago, it was like $80, and people were thinking like, hey, it's going to hit triple digits right here. So that's going to make a move, probably up to the triple digits. Just stay on that. Monero is up. Again, man, like maybe I'm really wrong on OMG, but this is a steal right here. I got a feeling it's going to go way up. The reason why I do this channel, guys, is there's so many cryptocurrencies like that you could be in, and you could move your money around and do this and try to follow the trends. There's just so many that it's very hard to do, and there's always going to be one that you might miss out on. So like Stellar, wasn't ever really big on it. I've done some research on it. It wasn't anything that was on my radar per se. Jumps up 111% in the last 24 hours. I think they did a partnership with IBM. So that kind of news comes out is obviously going to skyrocket things. Anything that shoots up this high is going to retract a little bit. But again, if you got into Stellar when it was under a penny, you are living right, and you are doing really well right now. But don't fall in love with the price spike, because it is going to come back down. So I would take your profits here, and you can buy back in probably around a penny, I think. Maybe 2 cents. if it comes back down to that. It will retract. So that's a little rundown of the market. I'm going to hit on something real quick. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I'm throwing this out there to get your guys' feedback on it. I'm going to put my referral link in the description below. So if you're interested, use my referral link so I know how many people from this channel are really interested in Bitconnect. Leave a comment below, but Bitconnect. Okay, so I've heard a lot about Bitconnect. I think a lot of people have been talking about Bitconnect and the great things, and people are saying, oh, it's a Ponzi scheme and this, that, and the other, and they don't, all this. So I said, you know what? Like, I've heard so much about Bitconnect, and so many people are reaping benefits of Bitconnect. Like, I'd want to make sure that I'm open to everything that's out there in the crypto space, right? Because, Bitconnect's a scam. Well, 90% of people say Bitcoin's a scam, and I'm very, very big on Bitcoin. So I looked into Bitconnect. What I read, I tried to hit both sides of it. Like, the people that say it's a scam, I did some research on people that say it's great. Talked to a couple of people I know in the industry and what they thought, and they said, you know what, we don't really know. There's a lot of people out there. There's a lot of coins like Regal Coin and Hextra Coin that are trying to duplicate what Bitconnect is doing because Bitconnect's doing such good things. So basically, Bitconnect is a lending platform where you'll send Bitcoin to the Bitconnect exchange. You will buy Bitconnect, and then you're able to lend your Bitconnect for it to be used by the Bitconnect like volatility software, and then you're able to earn money off the interest of the money that you invested. So just a quick little rundown of what you invested. Now, I'm going to be totally transparent with you guys. I bought one Bitconnect coin at 100, I think it was $197 yesterday. So I'm like at the very bottom level. So this is the way it works. When you lend your Bitconnect, these are the days that you have to wait until you get that initial investment back. Okay, so I put in 200 bucks, let's say. I'm going to have to wait almost a full year until I get that 200 back, but I am going to be earning interest on that $200 every single day until that's up. So yesterday, off my $200 or $197, because I earned 1.08%, I got, I'll show you guys here, $2.36 in my lending wallet, which I can keep that in there, or I can transfer it to my Bitconnect and relend that, which that recycles the days. So if I relend $2, then it's another 300 days until I can get it out. Or I can take that Bitconnect and sell it to Bitcoin, send it to my Bittrex account, and cash out. So that being said, here's thought process. Okay, so let's say I put $2,000 in. All right, $2,000. That's a, for me again. Like you're gonna deal with what you feel comfortable losing, right? So you might be comfortable. Like yesterday, I was comfortable with losing 200 bucks. All right, because I wanted to see if it worked. Now today, I see that it works a little bit. So now I might be comfortable with losing $2,000. So let's say I put $2,000 in there. What am I going to get per day? We get 20 bucks a day. Okay? We get 20 bucks a day off of my $2,000 So what is that a week? So I'm going to earn $140 a week off $2,000. Okay, so when I get that back, right? So $2,000 I think puts me in that second tier. So 240 days. If I don't touch any of the lending profits that I get, and the thing is, like, the volatility software, guys, is based off the fluctuation of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin kind of went up and down yesterday, so it didn't make a big jump. But then here on the 14th, okay, Bitcoin was moving well, and on the 15th, Bitcoin was moving well, so you earned over 1%. So you earned maybe 22 bucks or 23 bucks. All right, so let's see. Out of the 239 days that it would be in, if I put in 2,000, I would make $4,780. So when I cashed out, if I didn't touch any of my Bitconnect lending, anything, I would have made in 240 days, which is basically a year or 9 months or 10 months, I would make 67.80. So as much as these ICOs are coming out and you guys are killing it with ICOs and there's big time return on these ICOs, Bitconnect, guys, I mean, it's something to look into. I'm going to play with it a little bit. I'm not going all in on Bitconnect. I still believe in the ICO platform. I still believe in certain coins that are going to be able to generate higher returns. But when you think about it, this, again, like, you got to watch Bitconnect and you got to make sure, because there's just as much positive as there is negative out there in the industry about Bitconnect. So do your research. Again, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description below. Click that, use that, sign up using my referral link, so I kind of know how many people in this channel are interested in Bitconnect. And then let's all kind of learn this together and see if this is a viable product that we could use to increase overall wealth. So again, guys, I always appreciate your ears. This is 100%, like, definitely want your feedback on Bitconnect, what you think Bitconnect could do. Is it a scam? Is it not a scam? Have you made any money on Bitconnect? Are you signing up today? Let me know. Click that subscribe button. What else we got? Nothing. See you guys next time. I'm going to keep, every day I'm probably going to go on Bitconnect and show you guys if I've earned, if I haven't, what I feel. But until then, Crypto Buyer, I'm out. Appreciate it, guys. Until next time.